Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is Frecky Fit Wolf. Today's video is actually in response to Lisa from over at From Dumpy to Diva, because she does a weekly challenge where she challenges other YouTubers to try something they've never had. It's the Tastebud Adventure challenge. I've been challenged this week, so I am participating and trying something I've never had before. So, it's late, in case you can't tell by my window. Look, there's a doggy. But it's late, and I did not feel like cooking for this, and I kind of forgot. So, it's last minute, and I needed to get something. So, I went to my local Schnucks, which is a grocery store here in St. Louis, and they have this section that has all kinds of unique fruit and vegetables, and I decided to get a vegetable. I got a dragon fruit. Never had one before. Don't know how to tell if it's ripe. I did Google it like once I got home with it, and this seems all right because it's soft and it's brightly colored. I don't need the sticker on there anymore. But yeah, so this is where we're going. I did Google real quick how to eat it. So I'll aim the camera down and go from there. Is that angle good? All right, so basically all it says to do is cut it long ways, and ooh, okay. So the inside is purple. The video that I watched, it is white, but I did actually mention that I was doing this for the video, Lisa, and she said that the inside can be either white or purple. There's really no way to tell before you do it. So you do that, and then you just supposedly peel. Oh, that is really pretty. You peel off the inside. I did really want to do, I was tempted to get it again because I got star fruit last week, and I was tempted to get that again, but it's not new, even though it was new to me last week. That's really pretty. I don't know how often I eat fruit that's pretty. I mean, even guys, can you see that? Like, even the juices from it. It's just really, it's so pretty. I hope I like this because it's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying it's pretty, but it is really pretty. And also, at the same time, I'm not gonna be too mad if I don't like it, because this sucker is $5.99. That's expensive for one piece of fruit. But I'm excited. It's really, I'm gonna be just obsessed with it just because it's pretty. And it's really soft. Like, I don't even need this sharp of a knife now because I could just break it with my fingers. Okay, let me wipe off my hands. All right, so it's time to test it out. This piece is from the end, so I'm gonna try 2 pieces because, you know, sometimes with certain things, the edge pieces aren't that great. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but the coloring is a little bit different than it is on some of the others. So we'll see. Don't know if that matters because it's new to me. There wasn't much flavor there. So I'm gonna try a piece that's closer to the center and see if the edge mattered. And this is staining my hands, y'all. I mean, I like it. There's not a ton of flavor to it. Try another piece. It's a little sweet, but not like super sugary. I don't even know what I could compare it to. But I will say, even my towel that I've been cleaning my hand with is really pretty now. It's got pink and purpley colors. It kind of matches my hair. But yeah, so I'm not gonna spend the money on it again. unless it's just like, you know, as a, hey, try this. Like, isn't this unique? But it's all right. Don't dislike it. Don't love it. That star fruit though, I really, really loved that. That I was super happy with. So maybe I'll feature that in another video, but it's all right. And the seeds, I don't know if I said that already. I feel like I just did, but I might've just thought it, but the seeds are edible and they add a nice texture, and the rest of it, it's like really soft. It feels like if I put it in my mouth and I just pressed it, it would just mash up. So that's the unique flavor because it's juicy. So it's almost like banana texture, but a little bit firmer and way, way juicier. Yeah, so I like it. All right, so I'm just gonna end it there. Nothing too exciting, but it was Tastebud Adventure Tuesday, Tastebud Adventure Challenge, TAC. I need to remember that. I keep thinking like TAT, like a tat. But anyway, yeah, that is that. So if you haven't yet, please like, please comment. And if you have tried this before, especially the white ones, let me know if it tastes different. Let me know what you think of it. What's your opinion on it if you have had it? And I recommend trying it just for the sake of trying it. I don't personally love it, but everybody's taste buds are different. So I definitely recommend it. And if you haven't yet, please like, or I already said like, please subscribe, hit the little bell so you know when I post videos, and go check out Lisa and see what she's doing for her Tastebud Adventure Challenge on her channel. The link will be in the description below. Guys, I say all that stuff so often that it just becomes habit, and if I do it out of order, I'm all sorts of discombobulated. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.